What's up, everyone? It's Kendall, and we're here. We're on day 12 of 100 Days of Codes. And today has been an amazing day. It's also the end of week 2 of School of Code, the boot camp that I'm on here in the UK, which aims to get people from all backgrounds, all lifestyles, all cultures into the tech industry, to diversify the whole tech industry with this amazing people. Lots of ages. Yeah, it's amazing. Lots of backgrounds. It's incredible. And take them from zero to hero. And that's an amazing thing. So, 100 Days of Code. So we committed to do this at the beginning 12 days ago, and here we are 12 days later. And the rules of 100 Days of Code are: 1, you code 1 hour a day. 2, you keep yourself accountable publicly. 3, you connect with the community of Twitter. 4, you keep a daily log of your progress, your emotions, your feelings, all sorts of things like that. So that is what you do for these 100 days of code. And I've committed to doing a video every single day. Some people do tweets, some people do messages. I've decided to do videos, to keep a video log and a video diary of where I'm at. So I hope it benefits someone. If it doesn't benefit anyone else but me, then hey, we'll do that too. But whatever the case, what did we do today? So today, School of Code. I can't believe it. We're already through week 2. So we have 14 weeks to go. 14 weeks to go. Gosh, and how far we've come. And I'm always reminded, I said it in a few videos before, but if we look back to even last Sunday, from the destiny and the journey that we've come from, even last Sunday, or even 2 Sundays ago, before it even began, to where we are now, wow. We've learned so much, we've come so far, and we've done it. We're getting there. We're making progress. I feel like this week has really cemented a lot of things. I feel like it's really, some of it's starting to really come together, so that's super exciting. And today was the hackathon. So, as customary in each of the videos, we gotta say hackathon, 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 hackathon. Okay, I'm gonna do it. It sounds like I'm saying hackathon. It's not hackathon. It's hackathon. Hackathon, 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 hackathon. I gotta somehow bring the G off. Anyways, hackathon today. So what that means in English is that means, in real speak, is that means that me and my partner, my co-coder? Yeah. We co-elevate each other and we blast off into hackathon space. And so today what we did is we were given the choice of sort of different APIs, so different places we could fetch from, and we could fetch this API across into our JavaScript, and then we can use that resource to build something, right? So first thing we had to do is we were encouraged, and we had the whole day to do it, right? The whole day, right? From like about 9:30 all the way through to 4 o'clock. So the whole day. So the way that it went is we did our squats at the beginning of the day. Then what we had to do is then we were given our repository, our GitHub repository. And in there, we were encouraged to plan everything we were going to do for at least 30 minutes. So me and my pair partner, Tom, big shout out to Tom, whoop whoop. Me and him, we sat there for 30 minutes, right? It got to about 5 minutes in and we're like, okay, we got it. And then we're like, no, they told us 30 minutes, so let's break it down more. So we broke it down even more. And then it was like 15 minutes and we were like, no. Okay, I think we got it now. We got a plan. Let's start. And then we were like, no. They said 30 minutes, so let's break it down even more. And literally, our plan, we had like, oh gosh, we took everything. It was like, if there was a button, we were like, create button in HTML. The next thing was like, in the HTML, put an ID tag on it, right? What are we going to call the IT tag? Like, we went to that much detail in our plan, and it paid off. because we made a huge progress in the morning where we could sort of work on a few more extravagant things in the end. And what did we create in the end? Well, we created this cool, we basically, there were options. There was a Pokemon API, there's a trivia one, there's a dictionary one, and there was a dad joke one. So we decided, because I'm a dad, and we both like dad jokes, we decided on dad joke API. So basically we had a site, and we decided to have like the theme of Peter Griffin. We channeled our inner Peter Griffin from Family Guy, the dad from Family Guy, who is hilarious. And we thought the best personification of dad jokes. So we did that. We had a little GIF on there that had him and his wife, and they were laughing at something. So that was on their little GIF, so it moved and that sort of thing. What did we call it? We called it Griffin's Giggles. We put that in the title. And so we built up the HTML like our plan says. And then we worked on the JavaScript, and we got like the buttons all working, connecting with event listeners and all that good stuff. Made them where sure the function, you know, when you clicked it, then the function happened, and then it generated dad jokes onto the page and that sort of thing. And that being said, I think it's only right. It's only right that I should give you at least one dad joke while we're here. So one dad joke is, you know, I'm afraid for the calendar. Its days are numbered. Number 2, my wife said I should do lunges to stay in shape. That would be a big step forward. And number 3, let me just do one more for you. Why do fathers take an extra pair of socks when they go golfing? In case they get a hole in one. Now I know you're in stitches the other end. Just not bad, aren't they? But anyways, that is the level of the jokes that come out. And so you could do that, and then sort of the stretch that we had was sort of to get the search thing working where we could search an API. We didn't quite get there, but hey, we learned a lot. We learned to plan really well. And you know what? And then what we did is we sort of just had some fun. We stretched ourselves a little bit. But you know what? We learned a lot, and we had fun. And then we styled it as well a little bit. I actually found the style colors of Family Guy, and I implemented that in the font color and the background, that sort of thing. So we kept it in theme, right? So it was awesome. But anyways, that was what we did today in the hackathon. We had a lot of fun. We used Git, and we obviously Git added, committed, and pushed it up, and all those good things. How am I feeling? What are my thoughts and what are my feelings about today and about this week? Well, looking back, my thoughts are, at the beginning of the week, I was feeling intimidated about week 2, because and the beginning of week 2 was tough. But you know what? Once we got past the beginning and we just kept going, we just kept pressing forward, you know what? I'm so glad we stuck in there, we pressed in, got our heads down, and we just got to it. And you know what? I'm excited about next week. Oh, and today I met my mentor. My mentor is this amazing guy who is a fintech guy from Just Giving, and he's awesome. Like we met each other. I met his dog, that sort of thing, and we chatted over Slack video, which I didn't even know had a video. But anyways, I'm learning more about Slack. Apparently, the go-to for all developers, and he does all things back-ends, which I'm really interested in learning more about, because I've interested in AWS and lots of other cool stuff, which is all back-end and Python. And so he was doing all sorts of stuff like TypeScript, which I don't know what that is yet. But anyways, fun to meet him too. So all in all, it's been an awesome week. Guys, awesome as always. Have an awesome weekend. You'll see me tomorrow anyways. So see you tomorrow. We'll be doing our hour of code tomorrow. So I don't know why I'm wishing you a good weekend. But whatever the case, it's been an awesome week, an awesome day. Day 12, 100 days of code, end of week 2 of School of Codes. And one more dad joke for good measure? Why not? Here we go. What do you call a fish wearing a bow tie? You got it? Sophisticated. Sophisticated. Dun-dun. Anyways, guys, I'll leave you with that. Leave you in pieces. All right. Peace out, guys. See you later. Until next time.